Okay, friends, step 3. Now, this one might be a little different in person because I'm at my house right now filming this, and I don't have big index cards. I think at school I have some big ones that you can fold in half, so it's 2 layers thick. If not, if I don't have those at school, I'm gluing. We want to make our cardboard a little thicker than one index card. We just are looking for some solid paper, actually. So I'm taking the time to glue 2 index cards together. If I have the big index cards in my classroom, then you probably just have to fold one of those in half and glue the halves together. What you're looking for is a thicker piece of basically cardstock or construction paper, whatever this is, a thicker piece of cardboard. And then I'm going to glue my graph paper side up. I'm going to glue, so I'm going to cut, or I should say glue my square on the back, on the blank side. And then I'm going to glue it into one of the corners like if it was a postage stamp. That way I don't have to cut all 4 sides out. I'm going to line up that one side right on the edge of my paper. That way I only have 2 sides that I have to worry about cutting nice and neat. So I've lined it up. I've glued it on there, graph paper side up onto my thicker index card. And then if I can find my scissors here at my house, I'm going to take my scissors to the right again of the right of that line so I don't nick any of my lines or any of my squares, I should say. And I'm going to cut this graph paper square out of my, what is yellow index card. Yours will be plain. And now what I have, if you can see, is that same graph paper square, but if I would to flip mine over, you'll see that mine has that index card backing. So when I feel my index card or my graph paper square, it's now thicker and solid. I want to make sure everything's glued nice, and then I will be ready for the next step. End of step 3.